Hey gang, welcome back to Quarantine Cooking. Sunday, technically episode 2 of the show, I think. We're gonna make a Béchamel today, which is the base of lots of different sauces, and it's French, right? There's a thing over the E at the end. I'm gonna try to make this video quicker and funnier. Good luck with that, because it's hard to be funny in front of a camera. I already did my morning exercises, I already showered, and the pan is already heating up. So, let's get started. I keep not looking at the camera. To get started, all we're gonna need is butter, flour, and a hot pan. Not too hot though, because butter, unless you're using clarified butter, butter burns. We don't want it to burn. We want it to brown a little bit maybe, but not burn. You can use any kind of fat. You can use oil, preferably not like vegetable oil. Olive oil has a really strong flavor, so use it sparingly, but just experiment with different kinds of fat. You can use any kind of fat you want, basically. And we're gonna use equal parts of fat and flour. And we're gonna also need a whisk and a spatula. And here's the pan, like I said. So we don't need a whole lot. I have about a tablespoon here. Boop. There you go. This pan is pretty hot, so keep an eye on the butter. We don't want it, like I said, we don't want it to burn. We do want it to brown. So if you use clarified butter, they get all the, I don't know, I think something. They get all the, some of the stuff out, the stuff that burns, they get rid of that. So clarified butter is basically just an oil made of butter. So this will start to turn brown, but if it starts to smoke, it's done. Ruined, done. So keep an eye on that. Then we're gonna scoop. Usually use a measuring spoon, but I've done this enough I could play it by eye, and I don't have a measuring spoon. So that's probably enough, right? I do want the butter to cook a little bit, so let's wait. Okay, starting to smoke a tad. Not too much though. Oop. Here we go. Alright, now whisk. Whisk to combine. Okay. And now if this consistency doesn't look like what you want, you can add more butter and or more flour to make it more what you're looking for. There's actually not very much here. I'm going to add a little bit more butter. Let's see, adding the butter will thin it out, make it more smooth. I'm going to turn the heat down. This is a little too smooth, so now we're going to add a little bit of flour. It's easy to let this get away from you if you, by adding stuff. Like, you can get too much, and a little bit goes a long way. I've made like half a gallon of gravy before because I made too much roux, is what this is called. Now it's getting nice brown. It's a nice nutty smell. This is dangerous though because it can start to burn after this point. So we'll take that off the heat for now. Get milk straight out of the fridge. That's what they say in recipes. Then, this is gonna be a challenge. I'm gonna hold this in my chin. Doop. Can you see it? Is this good? Okay. I don't know how that chin shot worked. I guess we'll see. Stir with the whisk, very good. Oh, I put too much milk in it. I fucked it up, you guys. I ruined it. Just for you. Yeah, that's way too much milk. Not enough roux. Back onto the heat. Ouch. Burned my hand on it. Yeah, I blew it. Big time blew it. Okay. I did this frickin' a few times in a row last week and didn't ruin it. Now, I'm doing it on camera. I swear this never happens, guys. Remember the sex thing that guys say? Alright, scrape the edges. That's actually, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Turn the heat off. Just move it back over here because it's bubbling a bit much. It's okay though. You're not always going to be perfect, and I'm not going to do this again. I mean, I'll do it on my own time because I love this. So basically, this is Béchamel. This is a white sauce. If you added chocolate, you would make a chocolate sauce. You could even make truffles this way. No, truffles are a little bit different. You make a chocolate sauce. If you add cheese, which I'm going to do, you make a cheese sauce. Like those jars of Tostitos queso that cost like $4, $5 a jar, you can make it for like, what, this probably costs less than $1. Maybe a quarter cup of milk, a tablespoon of butter, a tablespoon of flour, and this is way too much cheese. That's like a quarter brick of cheese, but just put some cheese in there, and boom. Just add some hot sauce or some salsa, and then you have better than that shelf-stable stuff that they sell. If you added bacon or sausage to the white sauce, you would make a country gravy. Hey, it stopped recording randomly. I was saying if you added beef stock or chicken stock or any kind of stock, vegetable stock, to the roux, you would make gravy. You could also add that to the bechamel and make a creamier gravy that goes a little bit further. So yeah, here's a cheese sauce. Made from scratch, super cheap, super easy, super delicious. Alright, I am going to be eating this with chips, so I am going to add some hot sauce and some salsa. Add that, and you can always add fresh tomatoes or, you know, whatever you want. Boop, boop, boop. I like the green sauce. Hell yeah. Nacho cheese. Whose cheese is this? It's nacho cheese, it's Bobby's cheese. Alright, so here we are. Here's the delicious cheese sauce. Ooh, baby. Yeah, put some of the leftover shredded cheese on top, so we got a little bit of that texture and stuff to it, and I put a little bit of cracked pepper on top, because why not? And I got tortilla chips. I think that's how you say it. Big boy. It's good. It's very good. If you wanted to make nachos, you just pour this over the top. I have put cheese sauce on burgers, which is amazing, obviously. Put it on eggs. You can put it on anything. Anything that you would put cheese on, you can put this on. Ooh, you can't see it. Oh. Our famous shot from before. Hello. So yeah, I'm not really in much of a philosophy mood today. I won't do that. Maybe Sunday will just be for cooking. Tuesday will be the longer video. I will say that I have kept on doing my exercises. I guess I can't say that because I didn't do any on Saturday, yesterday. I just decided that would be my off day. You shouldn't have an off day when you're trying to... Fitness is a lifestyle kind of thing. But I wanted an off day. I played Minecraft with my friends all day, ate a cupcake. It was good, but I'm gonna be back. I did my exercise this morning, so I'm back on it. Didn't read any books though, so I dropped the ball there. But, well, there's always today. I'll read a book today before I play more Minecraft. But yeah, you just keep doing you. Cook food with the food you got, because even the crummy stuff in the cupboard can be very good. Next video I'll make ramen, because that is the thing that we all have in our cupboard, and isn't always the most appetizing, but we'll make it delish, trust me. I'll catch you next time. Stay frosty, my friends.